What up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy Divino, aka David here, and I'm here to bring some customs and design. Here are some of my latest designs. Got some Jordan 6s over here, some white and gold ones over here. Got my Supremes. Some splatter designs. Hydro dip. And my LeBrons. Today we're going to be working with some Jordan 9s with a Boondocks design, so let's get into the video. First, we're going to start off with some prepare and deglazer so we get the factory finish off and make sure that paint sticks on there. Now that's that done, we're gonna print out pictures, lay them down, and trace them out so we can figure out where we exactly want it on the shoot. I already done that, so got my pictures right here. You can see them. Got Riley and Huey. So we're gonna lay them down, trace them out, see how it comes out. Now that we've done that, I'm gonna use the cut and place technique, cut it out and place it out so I can trace each detail. Had to make sure his lineup was crisp like mine. Okay, maybe not, but let's get back to the video. Now I'm putting on the matte finisher to make the picture look flat and less shiny. Now to do the same thing on the other shoe. Thank you guys for watching my first ever YouTube video. I can't wait to do more customs with you guys. Make sure you like and subscribe below and hit that bell to get a notification when I put up my next video. Make sure you check out my website and Instagram to see more customs, designs, and restorations. Divino out.